Hello friends, good afternoon. So today it is a Saturday and I tried to capture the portulaca plants during full heat because they bloom only when there is sunlight. So these are my red ones. This is my turtle vine. It is growing beautifully, covering the whole pot. These are also red portulaca. These are the light yellow and the pink ones. Today the basket is full of flowers, so I did not resist myself and I quickly went up to have a glimpse and a video of them. One more also I am having, orange portulacas. So these all are in full bloom.